episode, we will be talking about the hiring process of data scientists at LinkedIn. With such a rich member data, LinkedIn can provide aspiring data scientists with an opportunity to explore and apply their knowledge like no other. Susan Matthew is a head HR at LinkedIn and has been associated with the company for over half a decade now. According to her, the data science team at LinkedIn tackles challenges across product, sales, marketing, and more. They use insights from data to drive strategy, identify business opportunities, apply statistical inference to optimize and build engineering solutions to realize the company's long-term vision. So let's go ahead and look at the hiring process. The first step is a preliminary telephonic screening. The recruiter will schedule a 30 minutes phone screen to talk to you about LinkedIn to understand your interest in the company and see if the role is a good fit. Given how business-facing the LinkedIn data science role is, it might so happen that after the phone call, they may transfer you to another recruiter on the machine learning team. The telephonic screening can also get technical, specializing in testing concepts on SQL and data processing. Only if the candidate clears the initial telephonic screening, then the candidate is invited for an in-house discussion with project leads. According to Matthew, interviews at LinkedIn for data scientists are competency-based. Focus is on aspects like data manipulation, algorithmic coding, statistics, A/B testing, and problem solving. These discussions last anywhere between 45 to 60 minutes. Let's go ahead and look at some of the sample interview questions for aspirants applying at LinkedIn. What would you say is your favorite kernel function? Visualize a data set of page views. If each row represents a one-page view, how would you differentiate between scrapers and real people? If a company is unable to carry out an A/B test on a feature before launching it due to engineering constraints, how would you determine how a feature is performing? Why do you generate a uniform number using a non-uniform distributed function? LinkedIn also has an ongoing talent attraction, engagement, and branding strategy where it also identifies and engages talent through data tech talks, conferences, as well as meetups. Let's go ahead and look at the required skill sets. LinkedIn hires candidates based on their skill sets alone and not necessarily based on their domain, industry, or their educational background. However, preference is for someone with a degree in quantitative discipline, which includes statistics, applied mathematics, operations, research, computer science, engineering, and economics, or related practical experience. Talking about the skill sets, according to Susan Matthew, LinkedIn expects candidates to have experience working with large amount of data with SQL and R and other statistical packages. They also look for experience in a Unix-Linux environment for automating processes with shell scripting as well as programming in Python, Java, or another language. Let's go ahead and look at some of the tips for interview. It's helpful to spend time engaging with LinkedIn products as someone who is tasked with improving or developing the products as a data scientist. A good example is understanding what LinkedIn's business objectives are. How would you design features and analyze data to come to actionable conclusions? At its core, the interviewer may ask you how to design a LinkedIn feature and how to assess its performance. Be ready to quantifiably measure the success of the feature. It's important in an interview to be able to structure your answers in a well-formatted and succinct way. With that, we come to the end of this video. Don't forget to subscribe to Analytics India magazine and follow this segment for everything related to data science as a career. See you soon. Bye.